Yes, my friends and my family, long time no see. Welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when we say it's hot. It's hot like a Scotch bunny pepper. Today, guys, I am gonna make I'm just doing a little cooking video today. You know, for dinner. I'm making some sweet potato and shrimp salad. That is what I'm gonna make today. So me and Papa Harry are gonna roast up this thing. It's kind of new for him because we never served him this yet.
Sweet potato.
Yes.
What?
Sweet, so that's what we're gonna do. So before we go any further, guys, I want you guys to like, subscribe, hit my post notification and bell and things of mine so you don't miss a post when I post a video. So guys, we're gonna dive into the ingredients now. This is the shrimp. This is like a pound of shrimp I'm using here, not too much. Then for the shrimp, I have a half a teaspoon of Maggi season, half a teaspoon of shrimp season, half a teaspoon of Cajun spice, and a half a teaspoon of adobe, and a half a teaspoon of obey. So that's what we're going to use to season the shrimp. And for the salad now, I have the potato, so I'm going to use 2 of this potato. So it's about 3 pound of sweet potato, which is the Caribbean sweet, not the Jamaican sweet potato. I'm not using Jamaican sweet potato, I'm going to use the Caribbean sweet potato. Okay, and then I'm going to use 1 onion and a cup of mixed vegetable. So that's what I'm going to use to make the salad. 1 small bell pepper and a piece of scallion. That's it. That's all the ingredients for this salad. So it's nothing too much, Guys, I make this salad already for me and Cyan, and it was absolutely delicious. Papa I wasn't here, and we did just make 1 small potato, so we eat it all up. So now I am making it to give it to him for him taste it for the first time. So
washroom ready downstairs.
I hope him like it. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna get my fire going now and get everything going, and then I'll be back at it. All right.
Welcome back, people. Welcome back.
So guys, now I am going to peel the potato.
I'm gonna sweeten up them shrimp here. I make them nice and juicy. Mama Joan. She don't want to do too much thing one time, So she asked me to help her because me know say it look like me not really do nothing. But I just like to help Mama Joan say she want, So we just help her. And at the same time, I spend time with her because you know me. I feel the wish part Mama Joan as long as me can and as much as me can. Yes.
While Papa Aria seasoned up that, I peel the potato. Okay, so Papa Aria done season up the shrimp, peeling the potato now and cut it up, and then take it from there. As I say, it's quick, easy. It's not the potato will take around 15 minutes to boil, not a long time because it will cut up small. Okay.
My favorite potato still.
This is the Caribbean.
Yeah, when we understand look at our own
darker than this, yeah.
So you can see all that light. So it's a lighter potato than Jamaican regular potato, but a same potato. Do the work,
One teaspoon of salt. We put in there. I'm gonna put the shrimp them in the pot, you know. Do the shrimp. So for the shrimp, we are gonna do it like 5 minutes and 3 minutes on each side, because you know shrimp easy for cook. So we're gonna do 3 minutes on each side where the shrimp is concerned. And then we are gonna put in the garlic and the onion in here with the shrimp.
And when Mama Joan cook, Mama Bossy say, Mama Joan cook Bossy, gosh. Yeah, really say she Bossy, so.
There's something bossy about my cooking, Papa Eric. I mean, you don't understand
Oh, it
that.
just come natural, honey. You're not bossy. I just feel that, but you just look so bossy. You're not bossy. Because just your style, you know. Your style just bossy.
Potatoes to boil. So that will boil for about 20 minutes. Yeah. And while that will boil, we are going to cook the shrimp. Okay, guys. And then we are going to come back and we're going to see what it looks like. Alright. So guys, this is the shrimp. It have the onion in there and the garlic in there. So we are soften up the onion. And you know, as we said, the shrimp on both sides like that. You know. The shrimp on both sides. So this is, so we'll go and cook here now. And then the potato, 20 minutes. And then we'll come back, come put everything together. Before me leave, before me go away and come back, I'm gonna put the mixed vegetable to boil. Okay? So here's the potato. Potato done cook here now. I have some in the refrigerator cool to put on this. So these finish, and then I'm gonna put this for cool, and then I'm gonna come back, come put it together. But first, I'm gonna put the copper mixed vegetable in the water, same water, for about 10 minutes. Cause you know this not really take long for cook. 10 minutes. Okay, I'll give this 10 minutes to boil, and then that's it. This in the fridge for cool in the meantime. So guys, the potato is ready.
Nobody cook shrimp like Mama Joan.
Sweet potato. I think I probably need a bigger container to mix it in. So let me get a bigger bowl. That look too small, so gotta put it in a bigger bowl where it can mix. Yep. So guys, this is two large sweet potato. Put in the mixed vegetable.
That's a weed. Brownie, can't wait to taste this.
Put in the shrimp. And stir it up, guys.
Shrimp salad look wicked. Nah lie.
So you cook the potato, make it get a little bit tender, make it soft but not too soft, but cook but still firm. Okay, then I'm gonna put in the mayonnaise now. 1, 2, 3 scoops of mayonnaise for potato.
You never see the combination, but now me see it. Right.
Then you're gonna add some green onion, like a handful of green onion. Put some green onion in there. Not a lot, but I think I'm gonna put all of this. A little bit too much. Some green onion and 1 tablespoon of parsley. I'll mix up 1 tablespoon of parsley in there. Then I'm gonna sprinkle the rest on top. Give more run water.
Let me smell the shrimp when it cook down. And then now you put everything together, you know. Oh, can't wait to taste it. I mean, the eater man, you know.
Guys, last but not least, a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper.
What kind of Scotch bonnet pepper that?
The powder one, the Scotch bonnet. It's a Joy Scotch bonnet pepper. Just a little touch because me guess, my grandkids have to go eat it. Just put a little touch in it. Stir it up. And then we're going to make a cup of Irish. Taste it.
My time. I want big taste, but I like a small taste. Big taste, big bowl, get one big bowl. Like the I had a butter pan where I use. You know, the cheese pan then. You get me a cheese pan on it. We are run boat, you know, you go for your butter pan, but a cheese pan, still what they call it, butter pan. Guys, can't wait. Tasting time come.
Oh. With a little bit more Scotch bonnet in there. You need a little bit of
Fire, you know.
You need a little fire. A little bit of Scotch bonnet in there. And I put 2 tablespoons of vinegar because it needs that bite.
Vinegar on it? What kind of vinegar? What kind of bite? After the shark we make. You talk about bite.
Guys, it needs to have that little bite. So, you put a 1 in there. Do half first. Now take a chop. Do half. You know?
I don't like vinegar. No time at all. Either morning, noon, or night.
Yeah, but it needs to have a little bite. That salad we make. You don't want it to taste like mashed potato. That will make you taste it now. Myra not get none of this, guys. We can't find the shrimp and we not pick out the shrimp out of this we eat. Taste it first. Guys, this is absolutely delicious.
You don't taste the vinegar.
You're not supposed to taste the vinegar.
No, I'm afraid I can't. It's just perfect.
The vinegar just give it a little bite to it. You know?
Yeah. Vinegar not good.
So, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, guys. Give it a nice little bite, and then I'm gonna sprinkle the rest of parsley.
No, I don't want Irish potato salad. Sweet potato salad. Remember. The Irish potato is rich and notice.
So guys, this is the salad. Sweet potato and shrimp salad. Come to the end of my video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit my post notification bell so that you guys don't miss a post when I post. Like I'm tasting the pepper. So I'll see you guys in the next video.